how to make unlimited Pinterest pins for my print-on-demand business with Canva. Welcome guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make unlimited Pinterest pins. As you can see, I'm at the home page of Canva and I already entered here Pinterest pins. You want to click on this one and it will take you to a new place. And on the top of here we want to search, let's say you want to create something with inspirational quotes. So I'm gonna search for inspirational Pinterest behind it. Here you've got all kinds of options with the right Pinterest size. It's gonna look for, let's say this one. To click on it and then go to customize this template. Here you can customize the template. To be honest, I think this is quite okay for me. So what I want to do next is I want to go to the left bar and then click on bulk create. Imagine if you don't have it, you can click on apps, search for bulk, and then you have bulk create. Now, if you have a CSV, you can upload it here or you can enter the data manually. And I have asked ChatGPT to give me some inspirational quotes. So I'm going to copy paste it into this. Once you've added it, you want to give it a name, say quotes, click on done, and then click on elements. In your page, you want to connect it to all the data. So I want to connect with this one. I select the right click, I select connect data, and then select continue. And I want to generate all the pages. And as you can see, it brings you to a new screen. Sometimes you may want to edit it a little bit. So I want it in the center. But as you can see, I have made it unlimited Pinterest pins and I just can keep doing it. So if you have more, just follow the steps I showed you before. And once you've finished it, you want to download it. And you can download it by going to the share button, click on download, select the file type, and select all the pages. Or if you don't want a few pages not to be in it, just select the ones you want. Click on done, click on download, and as you can see down here, it will be downloaded. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.